The local community calendar is brought to you by Bank of Hawaii.
The entire island is gearing up for the American Cancer Society's Relay for Life to begin tomorrow night through Saturday morning. So far, there are 90 teams, and together the island-wide efforts have raised more than $254,000. Cancer Society officials say it's not just an opportunity to celebrate, remember, and fight back, but your involvement will help the Cancer Society work toward a mission of eliminating cancer as a major health issue and will support much-needed services in our community. So make plans to join the Cancer Society Relay for Life 2008 beginning on the 23rd of May at 7 p.m. to May 24th at 7 a.m. at George Washington High School field. And preparations are underway for the Liberation Carnival. For those still interested in participating as a vendor at this year's carnival, packets are still being accepted at the Department of Parks and Recreation in Agana Heights. Bid submissions are due on the 28th of May. The carnival is scheduled for June 20th to the end of July at the Paseo in Hagåtña. For more information, you're asked to contact Joe Duenas at 475-6296.
And that was your local community calendar, brought to you by Bank of Hawaii.